Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating to General, then Keyboard. This is where iOS stores keyboard management. Once here, you can add or remove languages. Tap Keyboards at the top to see your current list. If you already have multiple entries, you can reorder or remove them. Otherwise, press Add New Keyboard. Doing this first avoids confusion later because the system won't show languages that aren't added. After selecting Add New Keyboard, scroll or search for the language you want, then choose the exact regional variant or keyboard layout. This matters for characters and autocorrect behavior. If you need a third-party keyboard, install the app from the App Store first, then add it and optionally toggle Allow Full Access. Make sure to test the layout by opening Notes or Messages. This confirms the chosen layout and predictive text settings are active. To switch keyboards while typing, tap the globe icon or long press it to pick from the list. You can also press and hold for emoji. Back in Settings, you can edit to reorder or delete keyboards so your preferred language appears first. If the new keyboard doesn't show, restart your iPhone, confirm iOS is current, or reset Keyboard Dictionary in General Reset. This often clears cached issues. If problems persist, remove and re-add the keyboard. That usually resolves sticky settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.